So hello guys, my name is Uyedondabo. It's actually my first video. I'm a blockchain enthusiast and I'm a Solidity developer. Although I'm still learning. So you guys are welcome to always contribute. You understand to my videos. So I'll also this is my first video, so I'll also urge you guys to please like and subscribe. I think you'll find my contents very good. So I've been fascinated recently with the pulse chain, although I came in, you understand, just at the launch stage. You understand, and when I'm buying then was quite a rush for so I didn't buy much. But then I've been growing my pulse, you understand, and I have a bit of pulse now that I could actually use for some good contracts. But right now, the problem here lies now is that pulse chain is looks like it's dying. Although we all know that this is a coin that is going to actually boom and we're actually going to reap from holding in the long term. So if you look at this now, when I got into the market, Ink was trading at about $85, and right now it's trading about 8. So you see that loss is quite much. But then when you go to the plus posting, I'm using Dextools, so you can always check Dextools. So I'm looking at the live pairs. So sorry about my internet, it's not quite, but I just want to just rush up this video so that we're going to get a bit of idea of what is going to happen. So I'm going to explain to you what is actually happening on the blockchain right now. If you look now, you see that it is stagnant. There's no good projects with 100, 5,000, 20,000. So what's happening here is that after the recent meme rush, you understand, a lot of people cashed out, you understand. They cashed out on those projects. So and it reduced a lot of trust. You understand? So people are a bit scared actually right now putting money into projects because actually most of these projects are rug pulls just running there. But then, even if a rug pull was running smoothly, you understand, there would be transactions, you understand, that will help to strengthen the blockchain. So if you are looking at all these contracts now, I don't think they would actually not contribute. But then, if you look at some of these contracts, you will notice that there we have one enemy here for us, you understand, who are trying to build and create good contracts on the PulseChain blockchain. This is our opportunity we've been waiting for, but right now it's being messed up. So if you look at some contracts, you will notice that there's a sniper around us in the PulseChain blockchain that is just sniping on contracts. So if I go, when I talk of sniper, these are bot contracts. They are deployed by some guys, you understand. The funny thing about bots, this bot contracts, is that it's not like they snipe so much or like they just snipe the liquidity. It's just that they are so irritating. So what happens is that when you are buying, immediately you send a buy, it triggers them. They immediately go into snipe into that buy, and they take a little and then immediately they buy. As you are buying, immediately they buy just before you, and immediately you buy, they sell. So it's being triggered by some sales value. Some are triggered from 20k PLS above, some are by 50k PLS above. But these bots are just they are going into all our contracts and they are killing this. So now it's very annoying to me that you sit down and you actually create a good contract. Then one guy just from somewhere is just throwing shit at you. So now I'm going to like okay, now I'm looking at this contract now. So if you look now, so what we are actually going to do in this is we are going to kill these bots. Yeah. So how do we kill them? We are going to blacklist them from trading. So now one thing is that if you look at this bot, actually have unique addresses. There are not many. So that person is just triggered. It just triggers by all you need to do is just to run the little Mapbot contract or whatever. Yeah, but whatever contract that you run that you can get on GitHub for free, and you just put in some values, and then it's just running on auto. You pay some money into it and it's running on auto, and it's just sniping and killing our contracts, our good contracts. I want this. I really want this to stop. So what we're going to do now, look at this contract. So people are buying here. But look at this contract now. So when you check this contract now, so you see that bought this thing. What we are aiming for is this address. So if you look at this now, you see interacted with. So you see this address. That's what we are aiming for now. So you copy this address. So we like okay. So let's. I could afford to check these other ones and we'll see if it's the same. So, but now I want us to go back to our new page. I want us to look for another contract that is being so that I will make you understand that this bot has to die. So one thing with this the thing is that the owner of this bot could be watching this video right now, but and so he was okay. Let's try Bible. So he probably will change the address. But the thing is that what I just want to advise before launching, like some minutes before launching, you need to go to this blockchain and you need to look at contracts that have launched that are trading, you understand, to see like this contract. If you look at it now, it's showing no ball here, you understand. So let's look for something else. So it could be an old contract or something. Sorry, my internet is quite slow. BWS, and I can't use it. This is just 5,000 PLS. I'm looking for a contract that is trading. Let's say per V to 25k. This we are quite small. Okay, let's say one of these dead ones and 5,000 WPLS. So let's say this contract has been rug pulled. Oh. No, so just one sec. So okay, go in here. This is my Oga bot. You look at this contract now. This contract was actually probably just ruined by this. Someone just created a contract. You see, the first buyer here is this bot. So I'm opening the address here. So I'm going to try and see if it's the same bot in this other contract. So you see this same bot is here, this same bot from that first contract. So we're going to check because I actually have noticed that there are two addresses actually. So what we are going to do is that we're going to get this bot address. Is okay, this is a different bot. So you can see the address. So you get this address. So let's check, let's look for some, let me check one last one. I was trying to make this video short, but I just really want us to understand this. Please like and subscribe to this video. It's my first video. I really just had to summon a bit of courage. Let's get on this. So, okay, let's Griffin. This is look in Griffin raw code 8 million. So let's check. There's probably be a bot. A bot has probably gone in. So it's caused a lot of contracts are dead. Look, just look at this. This bot. This is very annoying. So someone just took 8 million PLS, you understand, and decided, well, maybe a good idea is you see the same bot address with the same bot address interacting with TST and the same bot address interacting with Giphy. So let me check. There are actually two. So I'm opening this one now. Let me open all of them. So this is the first bot. So let's see if it's the same address. Usually it could be the same unless you're really very unlucky. The same address. The same address. So but in that our first contract it was a different address. So you're going to take these addresses now. So what you're going to do is that you're going to in your contract, you're going to implement a solidity code. You understand that is going to so I'm going to use Monica. I'm not so good. So I'm just going to talk to Monica. Monica is an AI function. Create okay, Monica. Create a solidity DT function to blacklist address. That's the sure. Here's an example. Okay, thank you, Monica. So Monica has helped in just creating this. It's just a simple contract. You understand to blacklist. You're going to take this contract and you're going to put it in your contract. You're going to take this little function. This function here. Okay, I can see that there's no address. So I'm going to talk to Monica again and say Please implement, use the address above as blacklisted address. You have to really express things to this AI enabled for them to understand it. So, okay, you see, it has given us a better contract and contract, whatever, whatever, whatever. So I can advise you, you could get Monica. I'm using the free version, but you could get ChatGPT also. You could use the free version, though right now it's sometimes it's not accessible because of you understand? So, but then you see that the contract address 0xa27 has also it's showing the function yes, the address, you understand, blacklisted address. So it has implemented a simple blacklist address for that sniper bot. So you are going to take this blacklist address and you are going to put it in your Solidity contract when you are deploying your contract. So it's going to automatically block it. If you are using third-party creators like TEDWeb and the rest, I think there are functions there that you could actually just take this address and just put and it will blacklist it. So it's a good thing for you to do in the start of your project so that you would be able to have a successful project. Otherwise, these snipers just come and keep sniping into your project and they'll kill your project. So I really want, I would really love to see some nice projects. And please, I think I should drop a post chain address. You could always donate some PLS if you find this video very useful. I know you guys would. So let's block these bots and let's kill these fucking bots and let's sorry for my words. Let's get this um, blockchain rolling again. Thank you.